Most people spend their lives doing one thing: copying. Copying what others are doing, copying business models, copying careers, copying success. But Peter Thiel, billionaire entrepreneur and PayPal co-founder, says real wealth isn't built by going from 1 to 0. It's built by going from 0 to 1. That means creating something new, something unique, something the world has never seen before. Today, I'll summarize the most powerful lesson from the book, 0 to 1, and how it applies to business, investing, and even your personal success. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Meenu Banka, and here we explore wealth creation, value investing, business wisdom, and timeless principles applied to modern life. So if you want to build something meaningful, not just follow the crowd, the video is for you. Let's begin. Peter Thiel says progress happens in two ways. Horizontal progress, that is 1 to N. This is copying. Example, China copying Western manufacturing, restaurants copying more branches, apps cloning the other apps. This is growth, but not innovation. And then there is vertical progress, 0 to 1. This is creating something entirely new. Example, Google created a better way to search, Tesla reinvented electric cars, Apple made smartphones a lifestyle. Thiel says, the future belongs to people who build, not copy. Competition makes you slow. This is one of the most famous ideas in the book. Thiel argues if you're competing, you're already stuck. Businesses that compete endlessly lower prices, reduce profits, but monopoly businesses create something unique, dominate a niche, make extraordinary profits. Example of monopolies: Google in search, Amazon in online retail, Microsoft in operating system. So the key takeaway here is the best business is one where you don't have to fight every day. The best businesses start small. Most people dream of becoming huge instantly, but Thiel says start with a small market you can dominate. Amazon began with books only. Facebook began with Harvard students only. If you can own a small niche first, you can expand later. This is like Buffett's principle, circle of competence first and expansion later. Secrets create success. The biggest opportunities are hidden secrets. A secret is something most people don't believe, but is actually there. Example, before Airbnb, no one will stay in strangers' homes. That's what people said. And before Tesla, people said electric cars can't work. Wealth comes from finding truth before others do. Technology is not just gadgets. Thiel believes technology is equal to solving hard problems. Real tech creates breakthroughs in AI, clean energy, space, healthcare, and education. Not just food delivery apps and clones. The world needs builders, not imitators. Founders matter more than ideas. A startup is not just a product, it's a team. Thiel says great companies are built by founders who have vision, courage, long-term focus, and strong culture. The right people matter more than the perfect plan. The future is not automatic. Thiel ends with the truth. The future doesn't just happen, it's created. Going from 0 to 1 means choosing innovations, building something unique, avoiding the herd, and thinking long term. This is exactly what Buffett and timeless wisdom teaches. Don't follow the crowd, follow the truth. So if you want to succeed financially, don't just invest, don't just copy. Start thinking, what can I build that takes the world from 0 to 1? If you enjoyed this summary, like and subscribe, and comment below what is that one idea you think can change the world. Thank you.